Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Elevator, the podcast that lifts your English step by step. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Lisa. Today's episode is all about the weather. We're going to help you talk about the weather in simple English.
Let's start with some basic weather words. Repeat after us.
Sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, windy, stormy, hot, cold.
Great. Now, let's make some short sentences. It's sunny today. The weather is cold. It is raining.
Easy, right? Let's learn how to ask about the weather.
Here's some questions you can ask. What's the weather like today? How's the weather?
And here are the answers. It's warm and sunny. It's raining a little. It's very cold and cloudy.
Here's a short conversation.
What's the weather like today, Andrew?
It's hot and sunny. Perfect for a walk.
Let's talk about different weather in different countries. In Canada, it's snowy in the winter. In India, summers are very hot. In England, it often rains. In Afghanistan, it can be hot in the summer and snowy in the winter.
Where are you from, dear listener? Think about your weather. Is it usually cold, or hot, or rainy?
Let's learn some useful weather phrases. It's a beautiful day. It looks like it's going to rain. It's freezing. The sun is shining. There's a cool breeze. It's very humid today.
These are great for small talk. You can talk about the weather with a friend, a classmate, or even a stranger. Let's practice. I'll say the weather. You guessed the type. It's very cold and there is snow. Yes, it's snowy. The sun is out and the sky is blue. Right, it's a sunny day. The wind is strong and the trees are moving. That's windy.
Awesome! You're getting better and better. Now try to talk about today's weather in English. You can say,
Today is cloudy and cool. It's a little windy but not too cold.
thanks for joining us. You just learned how to talk about the weather in English.
Don't forget to practice and tell someone about your weather today.
See you in the next episode of English Elevator.